Involve.me quiz review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to review Involve.me quiz and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Involve.me, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Involve.me, it is a no-code interactive content platform that allows businesses and creators to build engaging experiences such as quizzes, surveys, calculators, forms, and funnels without any technical skills. And it also helps to capture leads, collect data, and personalize user journeys through visually appealing mobile responsive design. And with features like logic, branching, scoring, and outcome-based result, Involve.me enables making meaningful interactions and higher conversion rates. And now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, or you could also click the register for free button on the top right corner or the button below here. Upon clicking this button, you'll be directed on the page where all you need to do is simply sign in your account or create your own account in here using Google, Microsoft, or email. But once you're now done creating your own account, you will now be directed on this dashboard of Involve.me and to ask you what industry your business in, what is the size of your company, and also what are the goals would you like to achieve with this platform. I'm just going to select here this random one, and after that you have the option to create a first panel from scratch, but I'm going to choose the template one. From clicking the template, from here you'll be directed on the template section where it will show you a variety of categories that you can choose from on the left side panel right here. You could also proceed by choosing depending on the department, the industry, and the funnel type. For instance, under the department marketing, I'm going to review this giveaway funnel type template. Upon clicking preview, it will show us in here what it looks like. So this is basically what it looks like, or you could also start navigating on it. Or you can move on to the deeper end departments such as product in here as an example, and start browsing to a different kind to preview and even choose by clicking the choose button, such as this customer profiling survey for e-commerce. So from upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here and it will show you on the left side panel some of the elements that you can even add to this template. You can choose to make it your own design, layout, and other information or data you want to collect. Including this image, you can replace this one if you want to. And upon clicking on any text, it will automatically show you how you can start customizing it. And below in here, it will show you the different kind of pages, page 1, 2, 3, 4, and many more. But you could also start customizing each pages depending on your preferences as well. For instance, for this kind of quiz, which is also a question, by clicking on it, it will show you under the question text on the left side panel that you can change the question and even the answer to it. You can hide a question, add a description text on it, and any other kind of data you want to add, or even a contact form. But since this template is basically a customer profiling survey, I'm going to simply keep it this way, or you could also arrange by clicking this arrow on the right side of it. But now moving on to the design section, upon clicking on it, you could also choose your own theme depending in here. By clicking each theme, just click override current theme and it will show you the effect of it in which the color and the background has now been changed. You could also do the same process as on the other page, but it will automatically apply to all pages. Under the design options, you could also click the custom CSS if you want to customize anything on it, and even this global design settings to choose the content option, the layout of it, to make it center, or even any other current position if you want to. You have here also some of the slider section where you can customize everything from labels, question, description text, and many more. So let's say we wanted here a kind of form to answer. I'm just going to click the data, for instance, number input in here below this one. Now it says here type your answer here, but for this question, since we're trying to create the answer, we're getting a data which is a number, I'm going to enter the question favorite number. Since we're basically expecting for the people to answer this only in a number. And after that, on the left side panel also, you could also navigate some other things such as for the input validation, answer is required and only accept numbers are turned on. But at this point, I'm just going to simply delete this one since it is not necessary for the survey. Or alternatively, we can start customizing also the question text, such as, for example, salary, wages, monthly. For this, we're expecting a number figure as an answer to this one. And after that, we can now move on to the other pages. As you can see, upon clicking any of this, it will show us that we can do the same process of customizing, applying different kind of elements that we can find on the website panel, such as a choices form, the rating and ranking, and many more. But as you can see under this current pages, we're currently under customer experience, which is a rating type of form. So in here, we can add a new rating if you want to instead, or a different kind of form depending on your preferences, like this one. But I'm going to delete this one and replace it with other, which is a rating kind of form. For this, we're going to customize this question text. Instead of this, how'd you like our new features? I'm just going to simply customize this to make it shorter, such as, for example, rate our offer. But again, that depends also on the kind of question and also the kind of feature elements that you want to add, or the kind of data you also want to receive from your customer. You can even customize some other things, including this funnel navigation, the show pages progress, and even show pages navigation, as you can see. The header also that you can customize, footer, funnel timer, the global formulas, and any other option to choose from on the left side panel right here. So basically, this platform you can use for a lot of things, since it also integrates with popular CRM, email marketing, and automation tools, making it easy to sync data and streamline workflows. But if you're not done, you can see the section option on the top panel. You can go under the edit, you can choose the configure, connect, and share and embed. But upon clicking configure, you can configure a lot of things, including the funnel name, the URL, the response data retention period, and any other things. While under the connect section, you can integrate your own accounts such as OnKit, Constant, Shopify, Flowdesk, Drip, and Charge, GetResponse, HubSpot, Klaviyo, and many more. And now to start sharing this one, just simply proceed by clicking share and embed option or section on the top panel. And you could also firstly publish the test version to see what it looks like when a customer trying to visit the website to fill out the form or filling out the survey. But now after that, under the share and embed option, you can share this to your website such as on Google site, Shopify, and many more by creating an embed or widget such as for standard, full page, and many more. But this is basically what it looks like when a customer trying to visit this website survey. They can fill out the required information needed and the data we can gather from it. And now to start adding this as an embed, just simply click, for example, standard option in here. Once done, it will show you the embed code that you can copy. All you need to do is to click this get embed code and copy the code right here. Then go to our Google site as an example. And let's say I'm going to create a blank site or from scratch. Then proceed by clicking or choosing the embed option under the insert in here. All you need to do is to click this one and choose embed code, then paste the code right here. And click next and click insert to proceed. Once done, it will show you that it is now being shared directly on this website, which is the survey or the kind of quiz that we make on involve.me. You could resize this depending on your preferences as well. So basically, the importance of Involve.me lies in its ability to transform static content into interactive experience that significantly increase engagement, lead generation, and conversion rate. And by using quizzes, calculators, surveys, and forms, business can capture more accurate data while providing personalized results that improve user experience. And overall, that is just how you can use Involve.me to create a quiz. Thank you.